Hello world, let's see how to install Node.js correctly from the official documentation. Okay, so you can see here no node is installed and also no npm is installed. Okay, now what should I do? First let's open Firefox. Okay, no, I haven't restored session. Now what should I do? I should go here Node.js. Okay, Node.js. Now I am going to the official documentation, and here you can see the download Node.js LTS version. I am downloading the LTS version, which is 22.120. Okay, so I'm not downloading this one. Okay, due to the previous one's long-term support, so I'm downloading it, and automatically you can see it is being downloaded and it is completed. Downloading is completed. So let's open it here and open with it with files, and let's extract here. You can see this is the Node.js. This same version. So let's extract it here. Okay, it has been extracted and I'm just deleting it. Okay, so let's open it. In open, you can see here within this folder, the bin, include, leave, these files are there, and if you call the node command in the particular Linux terminal, this one will be executed. And if you execute the npm, npx or any other, like, so this will redirect to another link where the npm command and npx commands are there. So to make this also effective, we need more modifications. Okay, so let's go to the terminal, and if you see here npm version, it is not installed, then node version, it has not installed. Okay, so for that reason, what I need to do, I need to first, let me show you another thing. In computer, in other locations, in computer, in user, in bin, no, not in bin, in user, I shall create, in user, in local, I shall create a particular folder named Node.js, but I cannot create in this way because this is in root, so we need root access. For this reason, what I need to do, you can see here user local. Okay, so before doing that, let me rename this one. Simply I am renaming it as node. Okay, so I need to move it. If I try to move it, let cut, and then other location, computer, user, local, you can see here the paste option is inactive or deactivated, so I cannot paste here without root access. For that reason, let's go to again in terminal, and you can see here I am right now in home directory. Okay, for this reason, first let's get a root access, then move, sudo move. Sudo is for root access and move command is for moving. Now what is the, okay, before that, let me ensure that the folder name is exactly what we want. Okay, okay, so actually it will be in downloads. Okay, because it is in downloads, so let me see. Okay, this folder and this folder, this file and this folder. Okay, so node folder, so let's use this one, sudo move node. So I am moving this folder, and then where the location, user, then local, and then I have to give the, suppose I want the name of the folder as Node.js. Okay, suppose Node.js. So as you have seen that in that particular location, let me again navigate there. You can see here there is no folder named as Node.js, but if I hit enter right now, automatically this Node.js folder will be created and all the contents of node will be moved to this folder. Okay, let's hit enter. Well, I had given the wrong password. Okay, now let's check. You can see here it is appearing, and in Node.js all the same contents are there as the node in downloads, and you can see here as I have moved, so it has been disappeared from here. Okay, so now what I have to do now, if I do node version, you can see here still it is not visible. Again, if I npm version, still it is not visible. Now what I have to do, I have to make it globally accessible, this command globally accessible. Now suppose if I do here node version, still it is not visible, right? So what I need to do, I need to make it globally accessible. For that I need to do some modifications in the bash rsc file. For that what I need to do, I let me use a command. The command I will copy and paste the command. Okay, so that is in gedit x.txt, and you can see here this is the command. First let's copy it and paste it. Okay, done. And then if you see here, like if you see the file now, gedit bash rc, okay, so that one, if you see here, I have this due to this line, this particular export path equals to this path has been added. That means in node.js you have seen that within the bin folder, within the node.js, the npm command is there. Okay, so this is the path, this is the variable, path variable. So to activate it throughout globally, I need to source this particular bash rsc file. So let's save it, okay, and let's close it. And I need to source it. For this reason I need to use this one. So let's paste it, and after pasting it has been sources. Now if you check node version, here you can see the node version is shown. Again, if you check npm version, it is seen, and again if you check npx version, it is also seen. Okay, now to verify all these things, let's again close this one and control alt t, then node version, yes, it is available, npm -b, it is available. Now what I need to do is, let's check whether npm is in latest version or not according to the dependency with node. Okay, for that I need to npm I need to run npm install npm. To make it globally available, I need to use the option -g, sorry, negative -g, it is not minus, whatever. So let's hit enter. So it is automatically using, and let's check the version. Yeah, that is a little bit higher version. That first it was 10.9.0 and it is now 10.9.2. okay, now suppose I want to uninstall the version. For that I uninstall this node. Okay, for that reason what I need to do, I need to first have root access. Okay, you can see here I have got the root access, and let's okay, I have to go to the root folder. So here is the root folder, and if you see here are the files, and then cd user, cd local. Okay, now if you check, here is the node.js file. So what I need to simply is, I need to remove this node.js folder. Okay, so now if you check the now if you check, the node.js folder is gone. Now let's exit from the root part. So now if you check node v, it is gone, no such file or directory. Okay, npm v. Now let me say why this is seen, why this is shown. Sorry, this is because I have already edited the get brc. Okay, so okay, I'm giving the wrong command. Okay, so I need to remove it. Okay, I am removing this one. Now let's save it, and to make it active I need to fire this one, the previous command, just replace this get it with source. So it has been activated. Now if you use node version, okay, so let me correct it. Okay, now if you use node version, you can see this one. Again you can see this one. This is because I have also removed from the path, the path line I have removed. Okay, now I am going to show you the second method. So let's use Firefox. Let's open Firefox. Now no, I want to restore the session. Let's go to Node.js official documentation, and here you can see this one, but I am not using this right now. So here you can go to the download, and here simply you can copy paste it here. It first installs from GitHub. Okay, then using npm, here actually you are using npm. Okay, you are installing npm. So after installing npm, through npm you will install the node. Automatically the npm will be also installed. This is because if you work with different node versions, then you need to use virtual package manager like nvm, just like a virtual environment in Python, like a venv. Likewise, now you can see it is downloading. Check some matched. Okay, now if you see node version, it is seen. Now if you see npm version, it is also shown. This might be the issue with package manager, whatever. So we have successfully installed Node.js in two ways. Number one is using nvm, and number two is using the download folder, the long LTS folder that we have got from here. Okay, at that time we needed to manually set the path for global access to the npm or npx etc CLI tools or commands, Linux commands. Okay, so thanks for watching.